Here is a video of us packing a bulk order that we received. You can check out more saris on our website. I'll be posting the direct link to the website in the description, so do check it out. Most of these saris are Chettinad cotton, Bengal cottons and handloom ones. Ikkats, you'll find many options on the website. All are hand-picked ones. And we're really grateful for such orders, the trust. Each one is unique and different, as you can see. That's another Bengal cotton sari, a Kota Doria sari, Kanji cottons. We have many more varieties on the website, so please do visit and take time shopping on the website whenever you are free. That's a Khadi cotton, Kalamkari sari, Ikkat. All are singles. So another Ikkat there, Chettinad cotton. That's a Kanji silk cotton, a Pochambali Ikkat, Kota Doria sari. You can see all colors are different, right? So don't miss these. Do check out. Thank you.